Everywhere you look, there's limbs and trees down, uprooted. I'll try to get as many of these streets as I can for you. It's just a mess out here. Tin laying around rooftops. You see right there. Your trailer got flipped over. Tree right on top of it. Let me get you a view of that. Look right there, folks. You can tell the tornado was pretty strong here. And this massive tree right down here, I'm going to get a view of that too. Look at the power of this tornado. I would say it was in the category of an EF2. Look at that massive tree there. So many streets here in Dexter that it's kind of hard to get in all of them. Antenna tower broke over. We're out here. I believe this is the Dexter Housing Authority. Shingles off these roofs. Several of them tore up. Look at the corner of that apartment there. Big tree. It's gone now. There's some more laying down through here. They've had crews out here working. And still here. Look at that big old tree there laying down. Blew over by the tornado. I'll be uploading this video first chance I get there for you people to view. Maybe to take in some of what's happening around your neighborhoods. And if you find this content interesting. Appreciate you giving me a like. Give me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. We got crews hard at work here. Share this video if you feel like. Appreciate that too. It goes a long way to let others around that don't get to get out and see all the damage that's been done here. Let me pull up here just to give you a shot at this. You can see it hit hard here. Power lines are being worked on. Oh man, there is some serious damage around here. Just look right over there. Roof has been blown plumb off. Buildings blown down, tin everywhere. I'll show you another massive tree here and the damage. Look at that, where the roots pulled up there. Every street I go down, there's damage. I know I'm swinging this rig around here, folks, but bear with me. there, another one rooted, uprooted right there, bunch of limbs. People have been down here hard at work trying to clean this up for them. Homeowners are doing the best they can. Folks, these people need all the help that they can get out here, I'm sure. I would follow the guidelines as far as the help out here. What's needed. It's on both sides of the road, both sides of the streets. Just chaos.